Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a Dollar Tree and also a very small Family Dollar haul. I just went and got 3 things there. I have a field trip that's coming up very soon, and I went to go actually look for something in the store, which was a candle, and I couldn't find it. But I did pick up other items, so I wanted to grab it for you guys to see. How are you guys doing? How was life? Father's Day, June is here. I went and got 2 cards, one for the children to send to their my father-in-law, and one for my husband. These were super cute. So I grabbed them now so that I could already start working on them. Got toilet paper. And I got this Fabulosos, and I got it in the fresh lemon this time around. To change it up a little bit. Also got the Lime Away, which is very good. I really enjoy having that. For this, I have 2 bags. Sorry for the noise. Here's the receipt, and I have spent a total of $15. So here's my last bag of the Dollar Tree. I went and got myself some cotton swab. I got the 13 bags of the storage. My kids use this a lot for field trips at the school. I got the 30 that we use for small things like cookies. And I got this again, the 125. This is the one that doesn't have the seal. Just to get ready for the summer. The summer is coming. So the kids will be home for the summer. Well, they'll be in summer camp as well, so I'm getting ready for that too. I went and got 2 of the medium reusable gloves. I also got this very unique detangler brush. I'm going to attempt to use this on my hair. And the last thing is the pen. Okay, and the items I got from Dollar Tree was a total of $4.82, and I went and I got myself, the Dollar Tree didn't have any of the stocking caps, and they didn't have it, so I went to Family Dollar to get this for my son. Also went and got him a comb pick. He is growing out his hair, my oldest son, so I went and got him a pick, and I also got a comb to help comb out his hair when he's washing it. So those were the 3 items I got from Family Dollars. That was my short, tiny, itty-bitty haul that I went through pretty fast. I hope you guys are enjoying the month of June. It is extremely hot. I hope you guys are going to have a fantastic Father's Day coming up. Hopefully we have everything aligned and set up for them to enjoy themselves. And that is it, you guys. I will talk to you guys very soon. Enjoy the month of June. Bye.